In many industrial processes, fine dust are constantly generated. These particles can spread through the workspaces. For this reason, Dupuy developed the DEDUST 30 Pro, available also in ATEX version. This system is perfect for dry application involving fine dust.
The DEDUST 30 Pro is built with a painted steel structure, designed for durability and reliable use in industrial environments. Powerful suction system with a maximum depression of 270 mm of water column allowed operation even with high-density dust. With an airflow to 2,500 km per hour, the DEDUST 30 Pro captures airborne dust before it spreads into the work environment. A large 50,000 square centimeter polyester star filter delivers strong fine dust filtration, while the manual cleaning system keeps performance consistent and extends filter life. Thanks to its compact size and non-marking wheels, it is easy to move wherever needed. The DEDUST 30 Pro, a reliable solution for industrial dust extraction.